Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add website pipeline into Apollo.io, so don't forget to subscribe to that channel for more Apollo.io tutorials. Log into your Apollo.io account and head quickly to the left panel. Under that, we find website visitors. It's in your future, click on it. And click on Add Website. So for example, let's add my website here. And pass your website here and choose, for example, tracking company or company in person. I'm choosing company. This identifies companies only, so you can add through advanced settings, add a new page array or label and done, but I'm not going to do that here. So click on Save. Let's click on Save. And here it is, guys, Apple script. So we're going to copy this code into our website and paste that into our Google Tag Manager in our website HTML, so we can also add a new domain here. This is how to add a website and track website visitors in Apple.io. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.